JK Outdoors. We're catching up on a little intro action. In this video, we are camping at Buffalo Campground in Island Park, staying down by the Buffalo River, and so we kind of explore there, kind of give you a little background. We really like this campground. It was well maintained and clean, and the bathrooms were nice. Is there anything you like specifically about it, babe? No,
the bathrooms were very clean.
The bathrooms really clean.
Location was the whole thing.
Yeah, the river was super close, which was super nice. You know, they had water spigots, and then we kind of showed you the fire rings. So enjoy as we kind of walk around, do a little fishing, and catch you here in on the next clip. Goes leading us the way to the river. We got Mama and Cece back there. Oh, there it is, huh?
Mommy.
You wanna hold my hand? This is Buffalo River. Alright guys, we just enjoyed a nice little time down at the river. We just kind of sat here in the shade and put our feet in the water, got the kids' feet in the water. It was so nice. Definitely could wet wade. This is June 20th. So beautiful time to be here. And this river, the river is only like maybe a foot across, if that. So it's a great time, and I'm gonna show you guys around the campsite a little bit more. Okay, catch ya. A video of all the campsites to kind of show off. This is the campsite. Different setups that everyone has, kind of all in the trees. We're in the B loop. So going on a little walk and riding our bike, enjoying the beautiful breeze, nice little breeze. We got a little amphitheater, a few bathrooms, and bear boxes for you to put your food in. There's also these cool little contraptions we'll show you back at camp to like hang your pot on or over the campfire, so pretty cool. Coming up on all the information, you don't have to reserve these spots. There's some first come first serve, but we reserved, and these are kind of what you need to know about paying. Got a little map. You're free to have your dog here. They just need to be pick up their trash and keep them on a leash. They sell firewood, and then so we're in loop B, like I said. The river runs right here, and like next time we gotta stay at 8, 9, 12, 10, 11 right across from the river would be sweet. So all right, thought I should check in and show you this delicious meal. Carne asada with some made out of deer back strap. Delish. Kind of started reading the recipe and we're running out of time, so this is a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and salsa, cumin, chili, a little tiny bit of chili, just a little kicker. But salsa is, I'm excited. Salsa just makes sense. So we're having a good time out here. I'll show you around camp here in a second. This is what I was just talking about, where you have your little griddle thing on the bottom, and then a little post for roasting your soups or whatnot. So we're gonna get some s'mores going, but I thought I'd check in and kind of show you. So each campsite comes with a table, fire pit, and then it even came with a nice little like tent pad. Sweet tent we got from Costco. We're done with the little tents, and now four of us inside. So it says it claims it can fit 4 queen mattresses. It can fit 1 queen mattress, 1 bassinet, and then 1 queen mattress with one of those big headrests. So we're kind of glamping right now, but it's fun and comfortable. We're just gonna be here for one night, so just testing the kids out for camping. And then Sissy's been hanging out in that little thing, and it's been sweet to use. Just kind of keep her in the shade, and really been enjoying this spot, Buffalo Campground, Island Park. So Gonna maybe try to do a little fishing tomorrow morning or tomorrow. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy, like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of stuff, and see if we can get some s'mores action. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to camp. We are making some breakfast. Camp chef is putting in some work. This is the Explorer 2. 14-inch, so we got 14-inch griddle on there, and then we brought our cast iron pan to make some eggs pancakes. There's a little taste. It's delish. Woke up, started a nice little fire, kind of set everything back up. I'll give you a little peek of the inside of the tent just to show you the space. This is the one they sell at Costco. So it's got an awning, core equipment. I think it's 12-person tent, 12-person tent. So like I mentioned, kind of a mess, but we got the big old double. This is the one with the headboard, and then we got our bassinet and our the other air mattress. So it's got a bunch of windows everywhere. We put in the room divider, and then we kind of opened it up. We ran the buddy heater last night, keeps toasty warm. And then, what else is there to show? Yeah, it's pretty cool. The awning's cool. And then, yeah, we're just having a good time. We're gonna hang out for a little bit and then probably do something. So, we're just having a good time, eating some food, and all right, Bosco and I are going to do a little fly fishing on the river real quick. It's about 10 a.m. So we thought we'd come out and see if we could hook one on a little nymph. Got this little guy on there. So we'll see if that can do some damage. It was up in the backpack. We're gonna do a little wet wading. So wish us luck. There's a fish under Dad's foot. Oh. Let's make sure we still have our guy on there, huh? Yep. Oh, did you see that fish come up? Let's see if we can get our line all the way over there. What? It feels good? Yeah, it does, huh? Should we try a fly or an ant? What do you see?
I'm a cowboy.
You're a cowboy?
I'm bad. Yeah. Ooh, ah.
Hey, cowboy.
Hi, Dada. Hello, Dad.
There's a few flies.
It's a mouse, hi.
They're mayfly type. Hey, Mr. Fly, what are you trying to catch? Weeds? Is he being silly? Hey, I appreciate you coming with Dad to go fishing, okay? Let's see if Dad can get out of here. What things? What is that? Is it some bugs?
No, it's not a bug.
Boy. Nothing today. Some flies. I was using an elk hair caddis. With a mayfly? Oh, did you see the herring? Okay. Yeah, I don't have any of those. Otherwise, I think, because I saw the dead ones floating down and they're eating them right in here. It's a good idea. This kid knows more about flies than I do. Well, just a quick little session out. Didn't catch anything. There's a bunch jumping. I think caught some on video, so see if we get those. But try throwing an ant, a nymph, an elk hair caddis. Nothing. There were some dead mayflies floating down the river that they're eating, like that kid mentioned. Should have probably thrown my parachute, but it's really I wish I had like a mayfly type fly to throw, so gotta get them. The next time we'll know, so let's keep going on our adventure. Alrighty folks, we packed up camp and we are on our way to Big Springs in Island Park. We've been here before and really enjoyed it, so thought we'd bring the kids to come check it out and see some big old fish. We'll catch up when we get there.
Reagan. Just throw a couple of them at a time. Don't throw a whole bunch.
These are mad.
I got goldfish.
That's a huge fish right here.
Yeah.
Mom!
Oh, yeah. Oh,
No,
those are
this
trout.
enormous fish.
You see that little bowl?
Out on the other side of the bridge, huh? Just snacking. Got done with Big Springs, and pretty awesome to see those massive trout. Some nice lady gave us some bread, so little buddy could feed the trout. It's just a nice little stop, probably 15-30 minutes. We had lunch there, so that was nice. And then yeah, you can walk around to the old cabin, see that. It's the mouth of the Henry's Fork, which is pretty cool, pretty famous river in Idaho. And then yeah, it's been a good vacation. We've had a lot of good time outdoors and just a beautiful area and time to be in Island Park. Again, this is like mid-June, so roads are pretty busy. Lots of people out and about, a lot of people camping, so book in advance. Again, there is a lot of what you call it, like you can show up and just camp and pay, but always a little risky, especially with the amount of people. I bet you if you come during like the week, you wouldn't be too bad, but the weekends get hot and heavy. So next time we're bringing our board shorts,
Yes.
and our kayaks, and we'll be ready. Scoped out the area, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed this little bit of video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Booyah!